Hello and welcome to Flying Bobbins. I'm Liz, and in today's video I'm going to talk you through our pattern of the month for January 2026, which will be the Berger Gilet by Atelier Skamit. This is the first Atelier Skamit pattern that I'm featuring in my sew along club, and I really am impressed by it. They have put this pattern together so beautifully. I really do love a paper pattern in an envelope. It's just got that lovely nostalgic quality feel and gives you something that a PDF doesn't. And they have put so much effort into designing this pattern. And what I really love, you have this little Velcro tab to open it. And then on the inside, you even get a cute printed label, which you can attach to your garment once you've made it if you're giving it as a gift. I think is such a nice touch. The pattern comes in mini for children's wear sizing from 0 to 12 years, also 1 to 12 years, not for newborns. So 1 to 12 years for the mini children's one, and then the adult size here, which goes from this is where my eyes have to hold it like this, size 32 up to 52, and that is in the USA a 2 to 22, or in the UK a size 4 to 24. So to give you an idea, that equates to a bust of 76 centimetres or 30 inches up to a bust of 127 centimetres or 50 inches. So a nice big size range for you there. And yeah, and the children's one is from age 1 up to age 12, which would be a height of 77 to 152 centimetres or a height of 30 to 60 inches. So you can make this in a range of women's wear sizes as well as children's wear, and it would suit girls and boys equally. So with your pattern, you have many different styling options. You can see on the front here, you have your sort of crew neck, edge to edge, sleeveless option with a curved hem. You can also add a pretty little cap sleeve. You can square off the front edge. You can add a pocket, and you can do a V-neck option as well. You can also very easily lengthen this to make a longer length gilet, and you could of course add your own patch pocket as well. And in fact, in the kits that I'm making, I am including my own design of patch pockets. There are 2 variations of the pocket with my kits. So you have loads and loads of styling options. When you combine the different pockets, the different profiles of neckline, the different sleeve versus sleeveless options, you've got a really basic pattern here, but that you can make time and time again in many different ways, which makes this a really good versatile pattern. Now, the other thing that I really love about this is just how easy and quick it is. You really don't need much fabric. So I include 1 metre of fabric in all of the kits that I'm making up for this project. But if you're making the smaller size, in fact, you could get away with, I think it's like 0.6 metres. So if you have some smaller pieces of fabric in your stash that you don't quite know what to do with them, the Berger Gilet is a great stash busting project for those smaller pieces. Or if you see something you fall in love with, but it's just a remnant and there isn't that much fabric, then this is perfect for that. Likewise, if you see some slightly more expensive fabric and you're looking for a low consumption pattern, then this is great. There are some absolutely gorgeous double-faced quilted fabrics about, and I'm getting some really gorgeous ones in at the end of January, but they're so expensive. But with this pattern, you just don't need that much fabric, so you can go wild and choose a more extravagant fabric, and it's not going to cost you the earth. Now, the other thing is it's super quick. If you're an experienced sewer, you will find this extremely easy. If you're a beginner, this is a great starting pattern for you, especially if you want to do your first kind of jacket with a lining in it. This is a great way to learn. It really didn't take me that long to make my gilet that I'm wearing today. It was very quick and easy. The instructions are fantastic. She actually also has a video sew along, which is in French, but of course you can add subtitles. I'm going to go through my own video sew along for my sew along club. So I will be teaching you all of the steps and techniques that I have learned along the way of making this gilet, and that will be shared with my sew along club starting on the 5th of January 2026 for our first project of the new year. Hi, I've just tilted the camera down so that you can see my gilet. So I made this one a couple of weeks ago and I have been wearing it non-stop. I opted for the crew neck, edge to edge front, and then I've made my own little lined patch pocket. I kept it with the standard length. I haven't lengthened it at all. And I opted for the curved centre front. And then I have lined it with this lovely Lady McElroy cotton lawn, which is a great lining choice because it looks lovely and it does slide over your other garments quite nice and easily. But being that it's a cotton lawn, it's very easy to sew, unlike a lining which could be a bit slippery. And I made myself a size 10, UK 10, which is very typical for me. I just did grade it out at the hips a bit so that it sat nicely over my hips rather than riding on top of my hips, because I do go up in size from a 10 at the torso up to a generous 12 at the hips and bottom. I wanted to use this video to introduce you to the pattern, but also to show you the fabrics that I will be featuring in the kits for the Berger Gilet. Now, if you are a member of my Sew Along Club, then you will notice that pre-orders for these kits are already open and you can bag your favourite choice of fabrics right away, and these kits will be delivered to you in either next week leading up to Christmas or the time in between Christmas and the New Year, depending on your postage situation, but you will have your kit by the 5th of January when the new Sew Along launches. If you're not in the Sew Along Club but you still want to follow this project, or if you're watching this slightly later on in the year, then never fear, because all remaining fabric will be chopped up, made into kits and popped onto the website ready for you to purchase so that you can also make your own gorgeous gilet. Now, if you do want to find out more about joining the Sew Along Club, I shall pop a link in the comments below, and you can follow that link, which will take you to my website where you can learn about becoming a member of the Sew Along Club. It is £10 per month and you can cancel anytime. We feature a new video sew along every month with very, very detailed video tutorials. It's like an online learning for dressmakers. And we've got some such exciting projects lined up for 2026, including beautiful pyjamas, a biker jacket, some great wide leg jeans, jersey dress, tropical shirt, just to name but a few. And I'm already starting to accumulate all the absolutely stunning fabrics for all those projects as well. Now, of course, if you are in the Sew Along Club, you can follow my tutorial using your own fabrics from your stash. But what I wanted to do right now is talk you through the kits and fabrics that I've put together, just so that you can get an idea of the choice of fabrics that you're looking at. So first of all, we have what I'm wearing here, which is the ecru, or it's light sand sheepskin fleece. So you can see it's fairly lightweight, it's not super heavy, it's very, very easy to sew with a ballpoint needle. It is a knitted fabric, so it has stretch on the cross grain, there's no stretch along the vertical grain. It's a lovely kind of warm ecru, kind of Aran sweater colour. I actually matched the colour when I was choosing from the swatches to my favourite Aran sweater, because I wanted it to be warm and flattering to wear, not too cold and white. So it's a nice warm Aran ecru colour. So if I show you this kit here, this is what you'll be getting if you've ordered a kit. And in here you will get your length of fabric. So in fact you get 1 metre of fabric. I had tons left over because I was making one of the smaller sizes and I didn't lengthen it. So you could find that you could make yourself like a little clutch bag, one of those little fluffy clutch bags, or a cushion, or a snood or something with the leftover. So just to show you, it's a bit it's quite stretchy actually, but it's kind of held in place by the woven lining. Drapes quite nicely. It's ever so soft, like teddy bear soft. It's not heavy and chunky. That's the reverse side there. So you would, I chose this one slightly lighter weight because I knew that I wanted to be lining it and not doing it as a double face. You could, if you wanted to bulk it up and make it chunkier, you could line it itself. You see what I mean? So then you have a double faced gilet if you wanted to. That would equally work well. So you get 1 metre, and this fabric comes in this light sand colour. And then the other choice of fabric I have is, excuse the postage stamp, there you go, that is the soft taupe. and I only have this swatch. This one has been caught up in transit from the Netherlands, where it comes from, and this postage stamp is all I have to show you, but this is arriving, I have been assured, this week, so I can pop on and show you that as well. So those are the two colours of the teddy fleece, which is light sand or soft taupe. And then with that you do have a choice of lining. So I've got the Lady McElroy cotton lawn here, and this is available in claret, which I'm wearing, also a gorgeous fern green and a classic navy. So this is to show you how this fabric feels and drapes. This is the Lady McElroy cotton lawn, which, as always from Lady McElroy, is a beautiful quality, and this is a really nice claret colour. Again, you're going to have quite a bit of leftovers if you're making sort of under a size 16. So the world is your lobster with what you want to do with your leftovers. Okay, so also in your kit, you will get, of course, your pattern. And then you will get the other notions that you need. You are going to get your Gutermann sew-all thread in a colour that matches the fleece. You don't really need a colour to match the lining. If you have something at home that matches, that'll be fine, but this is good for all, and you don't really, to be honest with you, need a lot of thread at all. And then you also get 2 meters of this, which is a Fleißlein iron-on stabilizing tape that we put around the neckline and front edge to give it a nice finish. So that's also included in your kit. And then of course you get your QR code, which will take you through to the full video sew along detailing how to measure, cut out, sew and finish your gilet. And then I've also included as a little extra my pattern for an ideal patch pocket. So this is the pattern that I made for my patch pockets that I've got on my gilet there. And then the other lining colours are navy blue, and I actually love this fern green, really pretty colour. So you have a choice. You can go for the ecru or the teddy, and then you can choose fern green, navy blue or claret for your lining. So you can see it sort of goes like that. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that this jacket is finished just as nicely on the inside as it is on the outside. And if you wanted to, because it's just completely bagged out, there's no visible seams anywhere on the inside or the outside. So if you wanted to, you could even wear this reversed. Obviously you could put a little patch pocket there, but you don't want to bulk it up too much. But if you wanted to flip it around, you could even wear it this way out as well. So that is the teddy fleece option, which is available in the 2 colours with the 3 colours of lining. Now I also have something that has been very, very popular, and this is the double face denim with the sort of Sherpa fleece. So this is much heavier, and it comes pre-quilted in a double-sided cloth. And if I open this up, so you have denim on the one side, and then on the other side you have a quilted, extra soft, sort of deep pile Sherpa style fleece with the diamond quilting there. So if I hold that up for you, you can see this is one side, and then that is the reverse side with the denim. And this is a really nice cloth to make this gilet with. Now obviously, because it's double faced, you would not line it. So what we do is we add binding. I've got a swatch here to show you the technique. So you have a choice of a few different ways of finishing this, but I will go through in my tutorial how to finish the seams to make this fully reversible. So on the denim side, you will have your binding, and then on the fleece side, you have you can brush the fleece over the seams, so you have a kind of a seamless finish. And then you can either choose to have, on the Sherpa side, you can either choose to have the binding showing, or you can choose to fold it in to the denim side and have just the edge like this. So I'll be talking through all of that in the tutorial, how to make this fully reversible so that your binding covers any raw edges whatsoever, and you have a beautifully reversible denim with fleece quilted version as well, so with the double-faced fabric, which, you know, it's going to be fun and you're going to learn lots as well. Slightly heavier weight there, but really nice as a layering up kind of outerwear piece to keep you nice and warm and cozy. Okay, then I have two of these gorgeous printed gauze quilted fabrics. These are soft, they have a lovely warmth to them, but the colour palette brings us more into the transition to spring. So a lovely, lovely gilet could be made from this fabric, which you could layer over a kind of a denim or white coloured t-shirt to give you kind of that extra layer as the seasons transition. And this is also reversible, so you have wonderful choice here of the blue diamond quilt on this side, and it's ever so lovely and soft. Actually it's a straight line quilting, but the pattern is slightly diamondy. Or you have your pink paisley-esque floral there, which is very much on trend. So you have your two different colours there in the pink, and once again that is a purely reversible, totally reversible option for the Berger Gilet. This one actually might look quite pretty with a little cap sleeve, even as a little kind of jacket. And this one also I'm going to show you how to make it so that it's perfectly reversible using binding. And this fabric option comes in this absolutely beautiful blue, which has, if I can unfold my bolt here, this soft aqua green on the other side. So lovely soft colours, goes very well with denim to make that spring layering piece. And those options will come with this gorgeous lavender blue binding. And as you can see there, once again, we can finish our seams so that from both sides we have a perfectly reversible gilet. So lots to learn in this tutorial, including how to make things reversible, how to line something, how to do the either patch or the slanted pockets. So lots of great new skills to learn that also will be transferable to other projects, such as any kind of quilted jacket projects that you might have. It's a fun, quick and easy tutorial sew along. It's a pattern that you can use again and again in different fabrics. So I'm really excited for this one. And like I say, if you if you're in the sew along club, then now is the time to pre-order your kit so that I can quickly cut and get those out before the new year. If you're not in the sew along club, but you would like to join, do so. If you don't want to join, any remaining kits will go on sale on the main website, but bear in mind that you may not get your first choice of fabric depending on availability. And you can also buy the full tutorial by itself if you already have the pattern and your fabric, you just need a hand with some of the techniques, and you can buy my full video tutorial. I should put the links to everything you need below. It really is a great project. Can't wait to get started, and can't wait to see all of your lovely garments made up in all of the different fabrics. I hope you're very well. It's lovely to see you. Thank you for joining me today, and I shall see you in the sew along on the 5th of January. Bye.